Alright, they asking for the queen. I'm a bad bitch, she's a savage. Look back while I twerk. No comparison. I'm a savage. Yeah, classy.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm definitely back with another brand new video. So it's Sunday, I'm doing my makeup, and tell me why. Also, my ring light is a bit damaged. She's not working, so yeah. And I just decorated this mirror. She is so cute. So anyway, we are making, no, not me. Yeah, my best friend's making some pancakes, and these things look amazing. Like, this human being makes the most amazing pancakes. Period. Poo. Let me show y'all, cause baby, in a slab, in a fox slab. So yeah, don't judge me. We're drinking pancakes. Like, can your friends even? Can your friends even? This is so nice. Also, I just decorated the house with, so let me give you a small tour. So there's a shoe rack. My makeup, my friend is coming through. I should do her makeup, and this is how this mirror is looking. It's broken. I don't know. I need to find something to wipe it off. And yeah. Whew, I think I already did an intro at this point. I am so exhausted. I just came from work and I just want to remove this wig because, baby, I'm so tired. It's currently like 6:04. So my ring light is broken. And I'm just like, wow. Not the ring light area part, like the part that connects to the socket. I'm sorry if I sound like I'm low energy. It's because I am. Oh, I'm just so exhausted. So, I want to make myself some porridge. Then I want to make supper. I want to make plantains. Matoke. Plantains and potatoes and avocado, because I bought this small avocado for 10 bob. Because I'm really hungry, and knowing me, I know myself so well. I'm gonna make some rice on the side because I always do that. I don't like, it's something that me and my family, we've always done it. When we make matoke, we make like 1 cup of rice. So you do the matoke, like that's just. Hey, let me remove my belt because, babe, girl, I am tired. I'm having like cramps, but I'm not really rolling or nothing. I don't understand. My stomach is just in pain. Not really my stomach, my abdomen. I'm having abdominal cramps, which is weird since I already had my period like last week but one. Yeah, I don't know what's happening. I'm just so exhausted. So I want to cook. I want to make porridge. Then later I'm gonna cook. I'm gonna cook the plantains, the bananas. Then I'm gonna make a side of coconut rice because, baby, I have not eaten all day since morning and I was at work since 7:45. So it's currently like 6:30. So you do the math, and yeah, it's still sunny. So Thika is still sunny. So yeah, basically I'm gonna make some uji. Oh, then I have to do assignments. I have to drop my assignments off tomorrow. My my continuous assessment test tomorrow. I have to take it to school. So this is gonna be a long night because, baby, I've done only 1 paper and I have like 3 more to go, and it's like really detailed. So basically no one trans night. Good thing I'm going to work tomorrow at 10:30. Since the schedule was changed. What else did I want to tell you guys? I just feel so exhausted. Like, being an adult, it's fun, vibes in each other over here. But my weekend was amazing though. Anyway, I need to stop talking. Let me just do what I need to do. Yeah, then I should probably just shower so I can just like cool off. I'm gonna remove this wig. So girl, you know what I don't like? When you remove your wig and people act surprised, like, bitch, you knew it was not my hair, so calm down. Like, honestly, like, stop acting, overreacting. So I'm gonna remove my wig, then I'm gonna come back because, yeah, that's how I've been cultured. I just can't remove my wig anywhere, but I want to. But let me remove it first, then I'm gonna come back. God, I'm back. Remove my wig. I look so much younger. Like, honestly, wigs do make you look a little bit older than you actually are. So yeah, natural hair. Who this? Let me remove my pants because, yeah, and y'all can't see. So yeah, I can actually really do this. Who wears clothes in the house? Who? Why? Why would you wear clothes in a house that you're paying rent for? And you live alone? Why? Also, I'm gonna remove this. I don't even know I have a bra. Like, I don't usually. Oh, actually, no, I can't wear this top without a bra because my nipples are gonna be doing the most. I'm super exhausted. Oh, finally, freedom. Oh my god, that felt so good. Y'all have no idea. Y'all, don't support me, but I have booty shorts, like, bro. I have clothes. So, where were we? I'm making some porridge. Just apply some of this because, baby, my lips are dry. One thing about me, I love Uji.
Yeah. You make a like me, not like. You know I dealt with you the nicest. Nobody touched me in a race. Nobody touched me in a crisis. I believe that I like a dream. You took my heart, on my keys, and my pictures. You took my heart, on my sleeve, a decoration. When we stick it to the I'm for you, for my hands. All that I want from you, to keep me something that I never had, something that you never seen, something that you never been. But I wake up and nothing's wrong. Just get ready for work. To me, I be work. You see me do me that. So me back at work. When you so the table turn. Beg you something, please.
So good morning, guys. How are you guys doing? Anyway, I just hope you all are good. Tell me why. Oh my god, I look so cute. No makeup, no foundation, no nothing. Like, don't play with me. And I don't even have a constant skincare routine. So boom. Tell me why I find out that I've actually submitted my assignments. No wonder I was in the deferment group. Like, it's crazy to me because what's actually, this is how I know I am not really invested. I don't know what's going to, and let's appreciate the natural lighting because I've opened my window and it's doing, and the lighting is just giving what it's supposed to give. Even if my ring light has like a small minute problem, I'm gonna get it fixed like by the end of this month. So tell me why. Now I look at the current status of my studies and I found out I've actually submitted my assignments, and I was here killing myself, trying, not even sleeping, trying to do other assignments. So I don't think I'm gonna go to school. Like, I don't understand half of what is going on in that group. I don't understand what is going on because honestly, we have defensive classes. I've never heard of those classes. At least I'm supposed to enroll myself. Module 2 does not have any projects, and I'm seeing that I've submitted all the assignments, and yet according to the report that I got, I'm supposed to submit a soft copy of girl, don't even get me started. Like, what's going on? But you know what, I've decided I'm gonna do what I want to do regardless, and we'll see where that takes me. So currently it's actually 7:35. Yeah, I'm heading out. I have to go to work today like at 10:30, so I'm gonna go to the salon where I work. I'm gonna upload content. Should I schedule it? I'm gonna decide if I wanna, because I've not been uploading content this week because I've just like been in a deep funk. So I'm gonna go there, try and upload some content till 10:30. Yeah, and I'm gonna like read in the matatu or edit. I'm gonna see what I want to do. Yeah, so I'm gonna check in with you guys later.